Today, I faced the biggest crisis of my life. A stunningly beautiful woman walked into my shop, holding a drone battery that was swollen like a steamed bun. She slammed it onto my workbench, looked me straight in the eyes, and said with a deadly serious face, "This battery is completely dead. You must fix it, make it super long-lasting, and absolutely safe. If you fail, I'm going to move in and marry you directly." I stared at that ticking time bomb of a battery, then looked at her beautiful face, and my heart started racing. This wasn't just a regular repair anymore, this was a direct test of fate. If I mess up, the battery blows up. If I succeed, I escape a forced marriage. Wait, or is escaping it actually a loss? The pressure was insane. A bulging battery is highly volatile and one wrong move could trigger an explosion. But with her death order hanging over my head, I rolled up my sleeves and went to work. I disassembled the shell, replaced the swollen cells, and calibrated the circuit board. My hands couldn't shake even a millimeter. I dared not lose focus for a single second. After hours of intense micro-soldering, I finally did it. The dead battery was reborn into a high-performance beast with maximum battery life, and it passed our stress tests flawlessly. As I wiped the sweat from my forehead, I realized I was finally safe from being forced to marry a supermodel. But then again, looking at how beautiful she was, failing this repair might not have been a loss after all. Just kidding. At FIXBOND, our technical skills never lose.